In this video, I will show you how to cancel your Beehiiv subscription. To do this, what you want to do is just open up Beehiiv and in the bottom left, head over to Settings, and from within Settings, click on Billing and Plan. Here you can see your current plan, which for me is Scale. What you want to do is hit Change right there, and then here what you can do is simply downgrade to Launch, which means you will be downgrading to a plan that costs $0 per month, or basically you will not have to pay again. So just click downgrade to launch, and then here just review your plan changes. So just see what happens and then click continue. From there, what made you decide to cancel, you can go and answer what made you cancel. Let's say not enough subscriber growth, then continue. From there, they will give you a few options such as pausing for 30 days or even 35% off for 6 months, but just going to click continue to cancel, then again click continue, then click I understand my plan will change on the date that you would be billed again and the tools that you will lose. And then from there, just going to click cancel my plan. And after you do that, you will now have cancelled your plan and you will not be billed again. So it may still say that you are on this plan, but you will see next payment due, not applicable. So as long as it says that, you will not be billed again. So now you know how to cancel your Beehiiv subscription. If this video was helpful, please consider leaving a like and subscribing to my channel. With that being said, I will see you in the next video.